Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We will be doing a quick video here to illustrate how to change the grab handles or take out the grab handles on GM vehicles, and in this case we're dealing with the H2 Hummer 2. So to get out the grab handles, just use a sharp object. It could be a screwdriver or any other tiny objects that you can get in there, and then you pull out. Oops, carefully you slide that out like so. You do the same thing for the bottom one. Slide it out like so. So you end up with something like that, and then you just pull on the handle. Oops. The bottom one came out and the top came out with the trim. So that's what it looks like. To get the handle back in there, you just push in, get everything aligned, push in, and then you press and everything is locked in place and secured. Thanks for watching.